Yes. So it says that in the poem it says here that in the world of possessions, people take balls, balls will not be lost always. Little boy, balls cannot get lost, balls will be lost always. You can lose everything. No one buys balls back. Money is external. We are taking that ball as an example, a very cheap thing. He's learning the epistemology of loss. What is epistemology? We have to get to that. It's not just the meaning. It's a Greek word. Epistemem and logos means the knowledge or understanding. That does not end there. It's actually a condition, truth, belief, and justification. First of all, truth occurs when false propositions cannot be discerned. Consequently, in order for something to be considered as knowledge, it must be true in nature. That is epistemology. It's a large concept actually. If you go in a philosophical study of nature, it limits of human knowledge. Okay? Or as a theory of knowledge, we can say that. Or rather, it's always concerned with knowledge, justify, the rationality of belief. How do we believe something? How do we take it? The knowledge inside us. The knowledge inside us means that epistemology of loss, that justification he's making, that child. How to stand up. The ball has fallen. Suppose a person has fallen, a human being has fallen down. Now he has to stand up. In life, anything can fall. I'll give a small epistemology example of Amitabh Bachchan. I'm not very known to him. I have met him, I have shook hands with him, I have shaken hands with Abhishek, Aishwarya, Jaya Bachchan, Amit Shah, the person who passed away, may his soul rest in peace. They were in my college. Actually, Amitabh Bachchan was studying in the school where I used to study. He studied much earlier. So, when one very close person to me was also studying there, and I was there very close, my blood actually. So, was studying there. So we had gone. It's on the annual function day in June. He had come with the whole family because it was his 50 years with Sherwood. And that was Sherwood's 50 years also. Sorry, it was Amitabh Bachchan's 50 years and Sherwood was more than that. So, what is Amitabh Bachchan? He's an icon, he's the big B. But do you know actually what happened? Once he had totally fallen down, his total company had gone down. ABC production had gone bankrupt. He had to, his house was on mortgage, the house was sealed off. So much of debt in the market. But he didn't fall. He was fallen down. But that epistemology, that justification he made, that I have fallen down, I have to get up, I have to find that road, that belief inside you, that truth. He stood up again through KBC. Sanjay Dutt, he bought a gun, an AK-47 or AK-56, whatever, he bought a gun which is illegal. In an illegal way he bought it. He was caught, he was sent to jail, he finished it. He finished his term, twice he went to jail. But that doesn't make a person bad. He got up from it, he's proved it, what I am. Maybe many people have many fascinations in life. I always had a fascination, I want to buy a gun, but when I joined the paramilitary, I never had to buy a gun. I always had a gun with me. Even after I left, I got a licensed gun. When I was working as a bodyguard also, I had that gun with me. So, but when I left, come on now, my job is done, I'm not supposed to keep it, finish it off. Let's give it back to the government. Because I have no use. Because having a gun with me, sometimes it can cause a very big issue. If you get out of your senses and all, something bad might happen. So those things are not supposed to be taken around with. Only when you need to work with it, you work with it. So I have also had losses. People have had losses. Reliance has had losses. Mahindra groups have had losses. People have to stand up. Everything money cannot buy. Understood? So money is external. My mom passed away. Can I get another mom? Can I buy another mom? Yes. If I respect other moms, if I respect other mothers, and if I see my mother inside them, if I keep on talking to all mothers and suddenly I see a person who's having the same ideologies, the same type of behavior, or same type of the way of speaking, then I'll start adoring that person. I'll see my mother in that person. I see my mother in all mothers. All mothers are like my mother. All mothers are same. They have to care for their children. But all mothers won't love me, right? If I pay respect, yes, they'll talk to me. So paying respect, it's not what I get in return, it's what I do and how I do it. So here the ball has been taken in a very small justification way. Like, I'll explain it to you again. Why do we need epistemology in our life? Of questions of what we know and how we know it. In fact, it is through doing, teaching, writing, we come to know about ourselves. Sometimes we go into the false concepts of life. We think something else, we go into something else. It's always to analyze the notion of truth. Knowledge, belief, acceptance, verification, justification, perspectives. Each of these epistemic conceptions of truth can be subjected in various criticisms. Depends from part to part, conditions apply from person to person. Then we come to the sense of responsibility. It also says here in the poem. Just above epistemology, he says, he senses first responsibility in a world of possessions, in a world of so many things which you have. We understand which is important to us. Sense of responsibility, awareness of our obligations, general conscious. We find a sense of security, a sense of happiness, a sense of danger, a sense of feeling alone. That's what is all a part of sense of responsibility. Okay? So this is how we have to go ahead in life. We have to take risks, we have to think, we have to take care of our things. As long as it's there, we take it very casually, but once we lose it, then we start thinking about it. We feel the loss. So while that thing is there with me, let me adore it, let me keep it very close to it. Things will go. Everything is temporary, nothing will stay with us forever. Impossible. Okay. Sense of responsibility is actually an important factor that can be overemphasized even in our society. Just simple, throwing a piece of paper, dirtying our place, that's also responsibility. That's my area, I have to keep it clean. I stay at the teacher's residence. That means I won't wait for someone to come and clean my room. I clean my room myself. I clean the kitchen. I clean the common space. What is there? It's an awareness, it's a responsibility. We have to take stand. It's my call. If I am here, I have to do it. What others are going to do, I care a damn to it. I have to do it. It's my sense of responsibility. to take care of my things. If I lose, sorry, excuse me, if I lose, that means it's my loss. There was some mistake in my responsibility that I could not take care of the things. I cannot blame anyone. My destiny I have created. My past is my creation. My present is my creation. My future will be also my creation. I will not blame anybody. I will not praise anybody. Next video, we'll finish the poem today.